Well chaps, I suppose it's time to bite the bullet. I got the DBC triple pick set. Really good engineering, well chuffed with that. And I've got a silver lock. I'm sure it's an era because there's two little pips on it. So got to try and do them sometime. I've put it off long enough, haven't I? So let's see. I'm shoving the pick in as far as it goes till it falls out the back, and then bringing it back. I've seen this on, is it Usernames, posted a few videos. So I'm using that. Now, I've listened to safe locks as well, and front to back, the little lollipop here, as you can see, is about the same angle on all of them. So I'm assuming they're all eye lifts. So let's go for it, straight to the top, work my way through the pack. Oh, wonderful! Apart from getting the wire stuck, so that's one mistake. I suppose it's a newbie makes, is it? Getting the fucking thing stuck. Come on. There you go. First one. Era. Fuck knows what era it is, but it's one anyway. In fact, I might just do that again. I'm over the moon here. Just got to remember not to go all the way. Right. Sorry if I'm boring you lads, but a bit of success like that, it's gone to my head. Oh fuck! My lollipops fell off. Right, well, I'll not do it twice. Cheers chaps.